Hi, welcome back to Fiddly Stitch. This is just a little add-on for color adjustments. I forgot to go over after viewing the video. I forgot to add in the inversion effect. So it's still our same image, and this is really a good tool for getting darker images. To be able to trace, sometimes you have a hard time trying to get things to crop out. With this tool, it'll turn the bright colors dark. So say you're working with a black border and the outline is all white. This is how you would be able to change it to all white with a black outline. And it gets really dark in here. You know, this is really bright, and you can see it's clearly the darkest color of everything else. So I just wanted to add that in real quick, and sorry about that. I after viewing it, I see that I missed it. But anyways, just wanted to add that. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.